Have you ever been in the middle of an intense game, perfectly lined up for that crucial shot, only for your screen to stutter or freeze for a split second? That moment of lag can be incredibly frustrating and even cost you the game. Many players wonder what they can do to squeeze every last drop of performance from their system to ensure a consistently smooth and responsive gaming experience. Maximizing your computer's resources is absolutely essential for peak gameplay. The short and clear answer is yes. Closing unnecessary background applications can significantly improve your gaming performance. While today's gaming systems and consoles are remarkably powerful, every single running program, no matter how small, consumes valuable resources that your game could otherwise be utilizing. Think of it as clearing the way for your game to take center stage. Here is why this makes such a difference. When you have multiple applications open and active, they all compete for your system's core components. Your central processing unit, or CPU, which handles general computing tasks, your graphics processing unit, or GPU, which renders all the visuals, and your random access memory, often called RAM, which stores data for quick access. Even applications that appear to be idle or minimized might be quietly performing background tasks. These tasks could include syncing data to the cloud, downloading updates, or even simply consuming a small amount of processing power or network bandwidth. Your game, especially in fast-paced or graphically demanding titles, needs as much of these resources as possible. This dedicated resource allocation allows it to render frames quickly and consistently, ensuring minimal input lag and a higher, more stable frame rate, which is critical for competitive play. So, how do you decide what to close? The key is understanding what is consuming your resources. On a Windows computer, you can open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl-Shift-Escape. On a Mac, you will find a similar tool called Activity Monitor. These tools allow you to see a detailed breakdown of how much CPU, RAM, and even network bandwidth each application is currently using. Your goal is to identify and prioritize closing anything that is not absolutely essential for your gaming session. This often includes web browsers with numerous tabs open, which can be notorious RAM hogs, streaming services playing in the background, or any large file downloads that are currently active. While certain communication apps like Discord might be necessary for coordinating with your team, consider whether other voice or video call software, or even social media apps, could be safely closed during your game time. Here is an insider tip that can give you a real edge. Dive a little deeper into your specific game's requirements and recommended settings. Not all games stress your system in the same way. Some titles are more central processing unit intensive, meaning they relying heavily on your CPU for complex calculations like artificial intelligence or physics. Others are incredibly demanding on your graphics processing unit or requiring a substantial amount of random access memory. Understanding these distinctions can help you pinpoint which background processes might be particularly problematic for the specific game you are playing. For example, if you know a game is a notorious RAM eater, proactively closing memory-hungry applications like photo editors, video editing software, or even multiple web browser windows will likely make a much bigger, more noticeable difference. By taking these proactive steps to manage your background applications, you are effectively creating a dedicated, optimized environment for your game. This focused approach ensures that your system's full potential is channeled precisely where it is needed most, into delivering the best possible gaming experience. The direct benefits are clear. You will enjoy smoother frame rates, significantly reduced lag, and ultimately, a more immersive, responsive, and competitive gaming session. It is all about giving your game the space it needs to shine.